Hello everyone and welcome back to Mary's Creative Decor. I'm standing in my dining room. Now my dining room is a traditional room, and as you can see, I've pretty much taken everything out because I want to start over fresh. I don't think I need to paint the room because the walls aren't really that bad, but we'll see. Just to give you an overview of what it does look like. Now on this wall, I had a big round mirror, but I took it away and I created these two canvases for this wall, incorporating the colors that I'm going to use in the room. On this side of the room, you will see my china cabinet. Again, is very traditional. And over in this corner, the three pictures have to go. Not sure what I'm going to hang over here, but I will be removing the pictures. I'm going to keep the lamp on the floor. I'm going to paint that. I'm also going to upgrade the cart in the corner. I want it to be the same height as the serving cart on the other side. I do want to keep my clock above the serving cart. I just want to upgrade the decorative pieces on top of the serving cart. My table, of course, I said I was going to get new head chairs or captain chairs, but the other 8 I'm going to reupholster once again and also reset the table or get new decor for my table. As you can see, I only have the one radiator in this room, but it doesn't have a cover. So I plan to paint it silver, and later I will be adding a top to it. And here is one last look at the room before the changes. This is the current state of my dining room. Of course, I'm not going to change the china cabinet or any of the large pieces of furniture. Just want to freshen it up and give it new life, but still keep that traditional look. So stay tuned, guys, to see what the change will be. And here is my dining room makeover. It turned out absolutely beautiful. It is so bright. As you can see, I added wallpaper to the wall behind the china cabinet. I have done or added some new things that I created or made to go in my china cabinet and remove some of the old pieces. I added new crystal hardware on both the china cabinet and the serving cart. I did paint my walls. The gray is a little lighter than before. I updated the cart to a serving cart. I moved my clock and my sunburst above the cart that I did. I added new lighter color drapes. It turned out absolutely beautiful. I reupholstered my chairs. I kept my table simple. I purchased two new captain chairs for the table. I updated my serving cart. I changed the hardware as well as painted the lamp. The mirror, and the picture frame was a set. It was black wrought iron, so I painted them all to match. Once again, I added new curtains. I had to keep my plant for a little greenery in the room. And here's the room from another angle. I didn't take away the plum. I did add 2 plum pillows to the chairs to bring more plum in the room. I painted my radiators. I haven't added the cover or the bench yet to the top, but it is painted. I think my serving cart turned out real beautiful as well. I did do a tutorial on that. And again, my china cabinet, I did create a few pieces to go in that to update it a little bit. I did make space for the 23rd Psalms and Malachi in my cabinet. I know the china cabinet still has a lot of stuff in it, but most of the things in here were given to me as gifts. A lot of the things in here are crystal, so I tried to keep it down as much as possible, but yet keep a lot of it out without boxing it up. I added wallpaper to the walls. I did get it from Amazon, and it was, I want to say, $30 a roll. And here is the room from yet another view. And here you can see my area rug. Truly, truly love it. It is an 8 by 10.5. I picked it up from Overstock, and it was $150. Now I don't have a tutorial on how I made the clock, but if it's something you guys are interested in seeing how I did it, just leave it in the comment section and I'll be happy to make one. And here on the serving card is 2 of the books that I did. I do have a tutorial on how I did the books. My lampshade is from Home Goods and it was on sale for $15. Now this is the view of my front wall, and there is nothing on either side of the window on the front. That's something that I have to work on down the road. And here is a close-up of my table from another angle. And here is a close-up of the chair that I purchased. I did purchase these from overstock.com as well. Both chairs cost me, I want to say it was $260 or $270. And I did add the plum pillow. I pulled those from my living room to put in the chairs. I absolutely love the chairs, but I think I'm going to reupholster my captain chairs and put them back in the room. I'm not that happy with these. I will use them in another room in my home. And if you're looking down, you can see my rug. Oh my God, I really, really, really love the rug. I purchased another rug, but I wasn't crazy about that. And I took that rug and I moved it upstairs. And this one, when it came, it was more than I had even hoped for. I had looked at other ones on other sites similar to this one, like at Wayfair, and it was like $400. So when I saw this one with a reduced price, I jumped at it. On my table, I didn't spend a lot of money. I already had the charger plates. I already had the dinnerware. But the plate mats I got from Amazon, and it was 10 for $8.99. My napkins were from Marshall's, and they were 4 for $9.99. The charger plates as well. I have 4 silver ones. They were $9.99. And I also have 4 in the gold for the same price, $9.99. I'm sorry, I said charger plates, but I meant saucers. The napkin rings are brass, and I already had them from years ago. The flowers on the table I got from Michael's, and the glass candle holders all came from Burlington's, and I paid $12.99 for the 2 on the end and $9.99 for the one in the middle. And of course, you know, I made the glass tray that is sitting on. And since I had 2 other placemats, I just added the 2 to the center of the table. And again, another angle of the dining room table. I think it's simple yet elegant and perfect for my 100-year-old home. And I think my wall art is the perfect combination to bring my color scheme together. So if you guys have enjoyed this video and its content, and you want to see more videos like this, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Share it with your friends and family. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell. Bing! So you will be aware of any upcoming videos. I want to thank you all for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.